Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your site title in Squarespace. This is one of the very first steps in my Squarespace website checklist. If you're planning on designing and launching a website on Squarespace, then you can grab my checklist in the description box below and follow along with all the steps. Okay, so here I am in Squarespace. I'm on the template Clove and I'm going to change the site title to show you how to do it. Setting your site title is really important because it's used throughout your website for SEO purposes. Your site title is what appears in search results on search engines, and it also appears right here at the top on the tab. So if there are several tabs open, but you haven't given yours a name, your website's not going to be identifiable amongst the others that are open. So it is important that you give your site a name, even if you're planning on using a logo in this area. So to do it, you first need to click Edit and then hover over this header section and click Edit Site Header, and then hover over where the site title currently is, which is in the left-hand corner. And you'll see this blue box pop up called Site Title and Logo. Click within the blue box and click in the pencil icon that appears. And in this window here, this is the field where you can type your site title in. So I'm going to give mine a name. And then click out of the box and click Save. And once that's saved, click Refresh. And you'll see that the name has updated in the tab up here. Okay, that's it for changing your site title in Squarespace. If you're working on a Squarespace website, you can grab my Squarespace website checklist in the description box below. I've linked to other video tutorials for the other steps as well. Thank you for watching and all the best with your website.